In this video, we will show you how to use VPN on BlueStacks apps. To use VPN on BlueStacks apps, it's very easy. First, you need to install the VPN application on Play Store. Just find your Play Store in here. After that, you can find on the Play Store the VPN apps. There is many VPN apps on there. Okay, but before that, let's just click on it to accept the terms of the Google Play. Just skip to import activity. To find the apps, just type in here. We are usually using the VPN called this Turbo VPN. It's very easy to use on BlueStacks. Just click this, and you can also using the light version. For example, Turbo Lite. Okay, and this is the light version. Is lighter of the size. Just click this and click install after that. Please wait until this installation is completed so we can running the VPN and test our IP location. Okay. Please wait until this installing is completed. After the installation is completed, we can just click open here to start using this VPN and click agree and continue. Make sure you granted the access on your BlueStacks. Okay, in here we can just X or close. Okay, just close using the X button, and in here we can find the server that we want to use. For example, we want to use in Germany. Let's try using two location and using Germany first. After that, we can click OK. You can just close this after that, or you can just ignore this message. Please wait until the connecting status become connected. If it's busy, we can change to another server and we can refresh this. And for example, we can use in Paris. Now it's connected. You can see after the connected look like this, we can close this and back to our home page, for example. And let's try. Where is our IP location here? Okay, just click on it and type what is my IP address here. Okay, now our location is on the France. Okay, you can see here. And let's try to using another. Let's try to using another location, for example. To close the VPN connection, just click this close button and select disconnected. And select once again the server. It's better we refresh this to find the fastest server if we want. For example, let's try to using Reader World Germany. And please wait until the connecting status become connected. This is the advertisement. We can close this or we can skip this. Okay, now we already connected into Germany. Let's back to our home page and let's open the Google Chrome again. Okay, after the France, let's try to reload this page. Now is on the Reader World Germany. Okay, you can see. You can see on our VPN status is on the Reader World Germany. Okay. And that's all tutorial how you can use VPN on BlueStacks apps on Windows especially. If you think there is better apps for VPN on the BlueStacks, you can just using that if you comfort with that. If you have any questions, you can fill the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.